Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at a very powerful hair growth spray you can use on your hair. This is my hair when I started my natural hair journey. I was actually bald when I started the journey. My hair was growing very slow at a very slow pace. My edges was really bad until I found natural ingredients, and then they changed the history of my hair. So in this video, I'm going to show you a powerful spray you can use on your hair to achieve very great results if you want to grow your natural hair or even your relaxed hair. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. On this channel, we use natural ingredients like hibiscus, cloves, fenugreek, amla, all the natural ingredients to make various hair recipes to help grow our hair. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and let's get going. So our first ingredient is hibiscus leaves or hibiscus flowers. If you've been on this channel for a while, you know that this flowers is something I've been using on my hair for quite a long time. Like I really do use it on my hair for a long
We'll be
time because of
combining
its
hibiscus leaves
tremendous
with black
benefits.
seeds. Yes, black seeds are also very powerful. These are termed as Indian herbs, but are very available in several countries. Like you can get them available in so many countries. So why are we using these herbs today? In today's video, we are making ourselves a powerful hair growth spray. Yes, if we are making ourselves an oil, then we'll use oil, but since we are making ourselves a hairspray, we infuse it with water like you see me doing the video. Preferably the water should be hot, so that the infusion process is quick. It doesn't take long, it's very fast to infuse. Yes, so after infusing it for about 30 minutes, it's ready to be used. You just have to strain it, get a strainer and then strain it. Because this is not powdered herb, straining it is quite easy. But then if you want very good extraction, if you want the nutrients to really infuse well, you have to use the powdered herbs because they are more potent that way. Yes, so after infusing them and then straining them, your herbs are ready to be used. Yes, so I always talk about the importance of hair growth spray. Herbal hair sprays, they are very good, but the secret is that you have to use them long term. Like these herbs are not fast connection remedies or something. You have to use them long term in your sprays, in your hair journey, sometimes during consumption and all that. Yeah, but then if you don't want to use them long term, it means that you're not going to enjoy the benefit that this thing has on its own. Yes, so guys, I'm using it in my twist, and yes, yeah, let me take you along the journey while I use this hairspray in my twist. Yes, and tell you about my hair journey. So I cut my hair somewhere in 2022 when COVID started, and then I just wanted a new look, and then I cut my hair. I really didn't want to cut my hair because like I wanted growth or something. I just cut my hair because first of all, yes, my hair was breaking and all that, and also I was admiring the new look that I had. So I kept on cutting my hair and cutting my hair until I stopped cutting it in December. Like my last cut was in December, and I started growing it. The pace to which my hair was growing was normal, was an average pace that my hair was growing. But then I discovered natural ingredients, and during that time, I was watching a lot of DIY videos, like what you are doing here on this page, watching DIY videos. They are very helpful. I used to think that they were all lies until I started trying them myself, and I was impressed with the results. So I started incorporating natural ingredients into my hair regimen, and what I started with was honey. Guys, honey is very good. If you want to grow your hair, honey is something I recommend you use as your pre-poo and also include it in your deep conditioners because they are very good. Like I just love honey. Yeah, so I started with honey during my steaming conditions. My steaming processes and all that. That is what changed my hair. Like it's really improved the texture of my hair. Like my hair grew 4 times faster after I introduced these things to it. Like my hair was growing, but it was really slow until I started introducing these natural ingredients like honey to it. Yes. After honey, my next step was introducing natural herbs and powders like hibiscus or what you see me doing in the video. My hair used to be very thin, like I have a relatively thin hair, but when I started using these ingredients, they made my hair very thick and dense. Like I could tell a difference when I took a picture years back and compared it to another like a year or two later. You would tell that wow, my hair has thickened up and also bulked up a lot. Yeah, So that is what you see me do in the video. I'm applying it into my hair. This is one of my hair growth sprays. I had a little setback somewhere in 2020 and my hair started breaking. Like, if you know about hair, you know that our mental health affects our hair growth. So if you want your hair to grow, you have to really watch your mental health because it affects your hair growth. Yes. So this is when I started losing so much hair. Like, my hair really started breaking. It was that bad. But one thing I know about hair is that if you start taking care of it, irrespective of the condition it left you in, it can grow back stronger than you think. Yeah. So in 2022, when I had a setback, I had lots of hair. Like, when you look at the previous pictures, that was my picture. That was my hair after a year. Like, after 1 year, I started really braiding my hair in 2021. Then in 2022, if you see the length of my hair, you'd be impressed. But when we're getting to 2023, my hair had gone down like half of it because of the mental issues I was experiencing. But then life goes on. You have to get back up because life is not easy. There are challenges that come along the way and all that. So that was how I regained my hair back after I decided to go back to doing the DIYs. Bear in mind, I was still doing DIYs during those times, yes, but then it wasn't working because my mental state wasn't good. So I always like to say that hair growth is both inside and then outside. What we eat, what we go through inside affects what goes on in our hair outside. So you may be putting all the products you want on your hair outside, but if you're not doing the right product inside, I mean, if you're not feeling good inside, it's not going to work. Yes, that is what that is what I always recommend to people. Hair growth is both inside and then outside. Yes. So after a while, my hair started growing back. I started doing my DIYs more, hair oils like hibiscus and black seed. These are herbs that are really going to grow your hair if you use them consistently. As of now, I'm regaining my hair. I've cut most of the damaged parts off. Like, I've cut it off, and I'm not afraid to cut them off because I know that it's hair and it's going to grow back. Like, hair and it will grow back. Even though I don't like to use that statement, when people are damaging their hair, they're like, it's hair and it will grow back. Sometimes when you keep on damaging your hair, it gets to a point where it doesn't grow back here. But here in this case, it's for a different cause. So let me say it's for a good cause. So it will definitely grow back here. So guys, this is how my hair journey has been. Yes, how I apply this hairspray. This is how my hair journey has been for the past 3 years. It has been good. It has been. I've had my fair share of the ups and downs, and I'll say that no, it's quite a good journey. Yeah. So if you want your hair to grow, I'll say you incorporate herbs into your hair regimen because they are going to save you a lot of money, a lot of time. If this is what you liked, please do well to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk later. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Lydia. I'm signing out. Let me know if there's something you'll be trying. If you have any questions,